Welcome to my Ipsy unboxing where it's $10 a month. Please like, subscribe, and give it a smashing thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. Let's get started. It says, be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. It's a December glam bag. Let's get started. The first thing is this bag. It looks a little gold silver with beading on the front, has a black tassel, and it has black on the back. That looks like faux leather, and it says Ipsy. Let's get started. The first item that they gave me was this, called Fab First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. Helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten. Alcohol-free, and it gives you 10 pads, and it is made in the USA, and it's allergy tested, fragrance free. The second item that I got was this. It is called Nude Eyeshadow Nude Beach Volume 3 out of 3, and it is from The Balm. And let's open it up, and it looks like this. It has pictures of some people with different colors, and the one I got says Life's a Beach, and it's in Bootylicious, and it's got this very sparkly, almost brown kind of color. The next item that I got was this, called Hey Honey Relax Propolis and Honey Soothing Moisturizer, calm redness and upset skin, and this is made in the USA. The next item that I got was this lovely lip gloss that says, let's see what it says. It says CIATE Ciati London, and it's a glitter flip. What a very pretty color, and it is in the color Infamous. The next brush that I got is an awesome brush. It is by Farrah, and it is a gold brush with a little groove right here, soft bristles at the top, and yes, it's a really pretty brush. The next item that I got was a Luxie brush. It is a blending Luxie brush, and I've gotten these before, and they're pretty awesome as well. And going back to this one, we are going to open it up, and we are going to swatch it really quick for you. See this? It looks like this kind of brownish color. I'm going to take my finger and go like this a little bit, and I'm going to show you that. Let me see if I can do it really good. See, it's like a little brown glittery kind of color. That's pretty awesome. Well, thank you for liking this video. Please like, share, and give it a smashing thumbs up, and I'll put the link in the description below. And comment down below if there's anything you liked, disliked, or if you've got a glam bag too and what you got in there. And yeah, thank you.